He's calling you. He's getting video.
Oh, I want to go. Are we going to go on the trail up there? Yeah, can I go?
Go for it.
Are we going to go on the trail up there?
No, we're going to come back down. You gonna do it, David?
Okay. Because you insist.
I do. I don't think you better not, kiddo. That's steep.
Yeah. I don't mind it.
Come on, David. Stay on the gas, buddy. Yeah. Woohoo! Good job. Okay, AJ coming down. Here we go. AJ, he wants her to go up?
What?
He wants her to go up?
No, he wanted me to stay with her.
Okay.